This is Gallagher 123123. In front of me, I have the Braille Note Apex from Humanware. Now, you might have seen my video. I think I called it Braille Sense Programs originally. It might have been changed. I forget if I changed it yet. I basically show the Braille Sense main menu. Well, I was using that Braille Sense from, geez, I know I'm crazy, I can remember this, September 2008 till April 3rd. And on April 3rd, I was given, let's see if I can get it to show up better, on my lap here, the Braille Note Apex.
Alert. Low battery. Dismiss. Camera. Stop recording video. Button.
Oh geez, I'm gonna charge this tonight, I guess. Anyway. And this is my first video that I've made on the new Apple iPod Touch. Put it back on the desk here. Now, this was given to me from my school, which is Perkins. Move some stuff out of the way. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to give you a little physical description. And then we'll quickly look at the main menu. Alright, so up here you have like a, I think it's a logo, a tactile logo. Then you have a zipper up compartment for flash drives and a cable. Actually, I have 2 flash drives in here. That's basically the front. Or no, maybe the top. I don't know what you want to call it. Now on the left here, you have, top left, you have the reset here. Probably can't see it, my room isn't very bright in here. You have the reset, the power switch.
Main menu.
Which I was flicked on so you could hear it. And then I think that's a microphone jack, a headphone jack, and your record key. The record key can be used to make recordings, like memos, or I guess to record classes. On the right, you have your power jack to plug this in to charge, then a USB, right, like a OTG port, I think that was called. And now we'll open up the unit. Now this opens quite nicely. It's got metal. It doesn't use the Velcro. And nice. Here's the Apex. So, in the back, I don't want to tilt it in case I mess up and drop it, because that would not be good. Okay. On the back you have 3 USB, like full size, I guess hosts, I don't know. That's where you plug in your flash drives. Then you have an SD card slot. I have an 8 gig card in there. And then you have some indicator lights. I think a VGA port or something, or an Ethernet port. I don't know, I can't really tell what those are. And then you have your keyboard here. And then you have your scroll wheel, which is pretty cool. My Braille Sense Classic did not have that. Actually, it didn't do half the stuff this thing does. And then you have basically the dots 4, 5, 6, enter. Then down here, I'll just flip this on. No, I won't. You have your Braille display. This happens to be the 32, Braille Note Apex BT 32. I'm just running my hands across the display because it feels good. Okay. Now let's power the unit on. And I'm going to focus on the Braille display. And I turn it on.
Main menu.
You'll notice that Braille is up here. You can actually see it. I can see it on the camera. And now, as the eloquent speech just said, on my display it says main menu, which tells you you're in the main menu. I like that. Now to move through your choices, you press the space bar.
Word processor.
Now that has your options for creating a document. I'll just go in there.
Keyword menu. Create a document.
That's, of course, you should all know what that is. That's if you want to create a new file. I go in there a lot.
Open a document.
Open, that's the same thing, sort of. You can open up your file.
Emboss a document.
I guess that's if you have a Braille embosser, you can emboss it, which I so want one of those.
Print a document.
Print,
Set of options.
and options, we'll look at that more, but that basically allows you to pick what file type.
End of menu.
Alright, now I'm going to press the up arrow on the scroll wheel, because I don't really want to try and press space with the...
Exit. Main menu.
That's the word processor.
Word process. Planner.
The planner, that's where you put in your appointments.
Address list.
That is your address book. Or on the Braille sense, you might remember, it was called Address Manager.
Email.
Of course, you better know what that is. Unless you were born in, like, let's see, a long time ago, where they didn't have that. Internet, it's a browser. Chat, I like this a lot. That's basically, I think the main provider for that is Google Talk.
Media Center.
Media player.
Book reader.
That's a Daisy Reader. I think it's based off of Victor Reader or something, because it's got a lot of the same things, like the way it works.
Scientific calculator.
Of course you know what that is.
Database manager.
Yes, for making a database.
Games.
Games, some games. To be honest, this version of 6.0 on the Braille Sense has much better games than this does.
File manager.
That's where you can copy a file, delete a file, browse directories, and create new folders. That thing, kind of thing.
Utilities.
That, you have your calculator, no, not your calculator, your basically clock set, and active sync. You can active sync the device. Basically stuff like that. Backup files. Then you have,
Terminal for screen reader.
that's if you have like JAWS or NVDA. I don't think it's support with NVDA, but you can plug this into the USB port on the side here, right in there, and you'll get Braille access.
Keyboard learn.
That I'd kind of like to look at in a second.
For information, press space with I. For the options menu, press space with O anywhere. End of menu. Keyboard learn.
Alright, let's just do this quick, because I want to stop this video.
Keyboard learn mode. To determine the function of any key or key combination, just press the key or key combination. To return to the main menu, press space with E.
Okay, I'm going to put the camera down. Alright, so now I'll just do some chords.
Help. To determine the function of any key or key combination, select the options menu.
I said O chord. Now let's see. T, enter.
Display the time.
I wonder if there's a date command.
Display the date.
Ah, I just found it. I didn't know what it was. Just trying some commands here. Alright, well you get the idea. Now I'll just do the space with the...
Exit. This key exits the current operation. Exiting now. Main menu.
And it takes you back to the main menu. That's really what we have time for in this video. I'll be creating another video soon on some more features. See you later.